Hi, my name is Clem Harrod, and welcome to the Video Projection On-Site Practicum Workshops. Today you will get an in-depth look on the day in the life of a video projectionist. That on-site experience is second to none. You will love that energy that you feel of the truss going up, the cases moving, the screens being built, the projectors being aligned. I created my Projection one-on-one workbook just to have a process. No one really explained to me, you do this first, you do this second, you do this third. Don't forget to do this. So I created a system that has worked for me for years, and now I am using it to help educate others to be better. Partnering up with great companies that allow this workshop to happen is the difference maker. They understand that I am a video projectionist that loves my job, and I want to make sure that they look good. Now what I'm doing is helping the next generation of video projectionists deliver that same quality product. If you're interested in taking one of our workshops, visit our website, clemcoav.com/events. We look forward to hearing from you.